Have a fantastic happy birthday, Kuya Wewel. Enjoy your day. Love ya.
Hi Kuya Wewel, happy birthday. Wish you a good health and hope to see you soon. Let's inuman na.
Happy birthday, Elias. Ayan, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana huwag kang magbabago. Thank you sa lahat-lahat at sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Love you, love you. Happy birthday, friend. Mwah.
Hi Joel, ayan, happy birthday and wish ko lang sa'yo ay laging good health and yun, more blessing to come and see you soon. Happy birthday! God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Sir Ellie. Wish ko sa birthday mo mag-enjoy ka and always God bless.
Magbe-birthday ang the Happy birthday, Kuya Well. Ay, birthday mo. And I wish you all the best wishes of all time, of all season. And enjoy your day and more birthday to come. To come? To come? That's all.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nong Nong. Happy birthday, Nong Nong. Four.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Nong Nong.
Happy birthday, Nong Ellie. Look at the camera.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nong Nong.
Hello po, Tito Wewel. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best. Opa.
Hi Sir Ellie.
Happy birthday. Go.
Sir Ellie, first and foremost, I would like to thank na tinanggap niyo ako sa company niyo. Yan, thank you kasi hindi niyo ako tinrato as kasambahan niya, tato niyo kasi family. Thank you so much and sana mabuhay ka pa hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. That's it. Char. To my most strict brother-in. Huy! Happy birthday kayo, well. Wish you all the best. Yeah. Yeah.
Ayun mga kapatid, happy birthday kay John Elizar Salamat del Rosario, ang kaibigan kong may kaplastikan minsan, or let's say madalas may kaplastikan. Happy birthday sa'yo, plastic kong kaibigan, mapanlait, mapanghusga, mataba, pangit, kulot, higit sa lahat, magandang lips, charis! At magandang kilay, in fairness. Happy birthday sa'yo, Chong, Wewel, Sir Ellie. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. More birthdays to come sa buhay mo. At salamat sa pagiging plastic na kaibigan. Yun. Plastic na kaibigan. Salamat ha. Happy birthday ha. Sana masaya ka. Eto na ako ngayon. Ha? Kuya? Happy birthday again!
Hello, Sir Ellie. Happy birthday po. And I hope you have a great day and prosperous year there in Pinoy Actors. Miss you guys.
Hi, Sir Ellie. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come and good health to come. Love you. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.
สวัสดีสุขสันต์วันเกิดนะครับ
Nasa mga 20 ka na, AJ?
Hello, happy birthday, Sir Ellie. Wish you all the best and thank you sa lahat sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa akin and wala na akong ibang nahihiling pa kundi yun, what's the best for you and yun, good health and yun, ano pa ba, yung pinaka palaging sinasabi sa akin na gusto mo palaging meron ka, hindi yung more than wealth, yung peace of mind. I pray kay Lord na yun, palagi ka merong peace of mind. So yun, thank you, happy birthday, God bless you, Sir Ellie, thank you.
Hi, Sir Ellie. Happy birthday. Sana mahukay na namin itong minahukay namin. And happy birthday ulit.
Birthday, Sir Ellie. Para sa aming amo na mabait, ngunit wag pong gagalitin dahil
masasabihan ka, shut up.
more birthday to come and good health. And thank you po sa lahat at sa pagtanggap sa amin dito sa Pinoy League. So, yun lang.
Happy birthday.
Ano ba?
Happy birthday, Sir Ellie. Happy birthday, Sir Ellie. I wish more birthday to come and have a good health. Ayun po.
Anyong, sang elcho kayo. Basta happy birthday, Sir Ellie. More birthday to come and good health. Bye!
Papaalam po sana ako eh. Baka pwede ko mag-sing. Joke lang. Happy birthday, sir.
So hello po, Sir Ellie. So I just want to say happy birthday and thank you po for giving us an opportunity para po makapag-OJT po kami dyan sa Pinoy Actors Corporation. And it was a great experience po para sa amin na maging part po ng PinoFam. And thank you po, sir, sa mga naturo nyo sa amin na in the future po ay mababaon po namin to kapag kami po ay mga naging professional na. So yun lang po, sir. So, lagi po kayong mag-iingat and I'll always pray for you, for your health, for your more success po sa life. And, yun lang po. Thank you po, sir. Bye-bye po. God bless Pinoy Actors.
Happy birthday, Ninong Rebel. I love you. Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Joel, at i-bless ka ni Lord para lalo kang makatulong sa mga tao. Muli, happy birthday. Ikaw.
Binabati kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan at nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan at patuloy na umunlad yung inyong hanap buhay at patuloy kang pagpalain ng Diyos sa iyo. Maligayang kaarawan. Magkamali.
Okay.
Happy birthday! Ano?
Oy, David, paano si send?
Stop mo.
Happy birthday, Tito Rebel. Sana po maging malusog kayo at huwag ka kakasakit.
Happy birthday, big time! Naway sapitin mo ang marami pang taon. Birthday mo ay hindi lang ngayon. Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday, Tito Well! We love you always, then ingat ka po palagi.
May the Lord continue to bless you po at gamitin pa kayo ng Panginoon para maging blessing sa iba. Muli po, happy birthday!
Happy
Tito
birthday,
Well!
Tito Well! Happy birthday, Tito Well. Thank you sa lahat and sa opportunities. And sana tularan ka ng marami. And I will be forever grateful for your kindness.
Hello, Joel. Nagpapasalamat ako una at higit sa lahat sa Diyos na ikaw ay magkakaroon ng selebrasyon tomorrow sa iyong 35 years na kaarawan. So salamat sa iyo dahil bilang pamangkin ko, bilang manager dito, patuloy kang magpakalalim sa Panginoon. Alam mo kung ano ibig kong parating sa iyo. Kasi alam mo na ang iyong magulang ay kasama ko dati, kaya lang wala na siya. Pero magkagayon pa man, ako personally ay hindi lang bumabati sa iyong kaarawan kasi yung kaarawan mo, taon-taon yan dadating. Pero yung paglilingkod natin sa Lord is yours. Yung paglilingkod natin sa Panginoon, yun po yun ang pinaka first priority natin sa buhay natin. So, nag-iiwan ako sa iyo ng panalangin na nawa ikaw ay patuloy na magkaroon ng lakas physically. Ikaw ay magkaroon ng mabiyayang buhay sa pananampalataya upang sa ganon maging kasangkapan ka rin ng Panginoon sa kanyang ubasan. Sa iyong kaarawan, maraming salamat at pagpalain ka patuloy ng ating Diyos. Pangunahan mo, patuloy ang Pinole kasama ng iyong mga staff, kasama ng iyong mga manggagawa dito sa loob at labas ng Pinole. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. Happy birthday!
Hi, praise be Jesus and Mary. Happy birthday, Kuya Wewel. Since it's your birthday, I just want to say that, sure. Happy birthday, Kuya Wewel. So since it's your day, I want you to enjoy it and embrace the power of ayan na. So ayan. Hi Kuya Wewel, I hope you're doing fine and nakalimutan ko sasabi. Hi Kuya Wewel, sobrang pangit ng lighting. Hi Kuya Wewel, I hope you're doing fine. Since it's your day, I'm wishing you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come.